Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine after making overhaul for the whole group head and of course replacing all the gaskets in here and replacing all this stuff with the shower screen and replace the vacuum release valve and the safety pressure valve too. So let's go ahead and test it. Actually we did more work on it. Let's go ahead and make an espresso shot on it. It's tight a little bit with this new silicone gasket. Actually I prefer to release some. Like to keep it at 9 with the flow control here and in here. Perfect. Look at this great shot with thick crema and really tasty. So let's go ahead and test the crema. That works perfect. And hot water too. Works great. So all the functions works perfect in this machine. Thank you for watching.